In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change background image on Safari start page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Safari web browser. If it starts with some web page, first off you need to open up Start Page or Home Page. To do that, tap right here and then tap Add Plus. Once you are at the Start Page, tap at that Edit button at the very top of your Start Page. And after that, towards the very bottom, you can easily find Background Image. We can first off activate that feature, and after that we'll be able to add any of the suggested backgrounds as a background for Safari start page. We can easily switch between them in a couple of seconds. If you would like to set your custom picture as a background, you need to tap at that plus. That will open up your camera roll. You can scroll down until you find an image you would like to use as a background. Then just tap on it and it will be immediately set as a background for your Safari homepage. If you would like to remove that background image and reset it back to defaults, you need just to turn off that option. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.